modern coastal cliff home with white stucco, teak wood and steel. Infinity edge balconies, rooftop terrace, native landscaping. Golden sunset creates dramatic contrasts. Sleek glass pavilion in urban setting. Minimalist design with floor-to-ceiling glass, blackened steel, concrete, reflecting pool. Twilight lighting highlights monochrome palette. Mountain estate among pine trees. Contemporary alpine design with cedar, stone, dark metal. Multiple gabled roofs, wraparound decks. Morning light illuminates warm wood tones. Desert compound with rammed earth walls, corrugated metal. Central courtyard, connected structures, native cacti and agave. Midday sun creates strong geometric shadows. Lakeside villa with curved lines, limestone, white oak, bronze. Wraparound deck, infinity pool merges with lake. Soft afternoon light reflects on water, creating serene atmosphere. Tropical beach house on stilts. Teak wood, louvered windows, wraparound verandas. Rooftop deck with ocean views. Bright tropical sunlight highlights turquoise water and white sand. Scandinavian residence with clean lines, ash wood, white plaster. Pitched roof with dark metal. Minimal landscaping with birch trees. Soft diffused northern light creates muted tones. Converted industrial home with exposed steel, reclaimed brick, polished concrete. Sawtooth roof, rooftop garden. Dramatic lighting emphasizes raw materials and urban character. Mediterranean estate with arched elements, terracotta tiles, stucco walls. Multiple courtyards with fountains. Olive trees and lavender gardens. Warm golden sunlight bathes hillside. Futuristic smart home with curved organic forms, titanium accents, smart glass. Undulating roof with solar panels. Integrated LED lighting creates dramatic twilight effect. Contemporary farmhouse blending rustic and modern. Reclaimed barn wood, black metal, fieldstone. Wraparound porch, vegetable gardens. Late afternoon light creates long shadows. Waterfront home with yacht club-inspired design. White painted surfaces, teak decking, steel accents. Multiple deck levels, boat lift. Marine light reflects nautical color palette. Zen retreat with Japanese-inspired design. Cedar wood, natural stone, sliding glass walls. Central meditation garden, tea house. Soft filtered light through trees creates tranquility. Dramatic hillside home with bold cantilevered elements. Exposed concrete, glass, weathered steel float from hillside. Bridge connects wings. Side lighting emphasizes structural forms. Sustainable eco-home with green roofs, solar panels, reclaimed materials. Greenhouse, edible gardens, natural swimming pool. Daylight showcases environmentally integrated design.